There are a few garden highlights this year. The days have been real cloudy in the morning, so things grew really slow, but there are some nice things. A beehive moved in, so the borage is getting used. I was able to plant borage right next to the Brussels sprout greens. Actually, that's volunteer borage. It comes up by itself every year. The Brussels sprouts did very well. Lots of big ones this year. Nasturtium mixes really well with squash, as you can see. It grows as tall as it needs to. That's pretty amazing when it comes to the nasturtium. I didn't get too many squash. The weather came on slow. Then I had bugs. I know how to get rid of the bugs now. Every night, take out the male flowers that have bloomed, and the bugs and the eggs go with it. That thinned them out, and finally I got some squash. I only have about a dozen. This tomato plant did really well. There's not many tomatoes on it yet. We'll see what happens. It's middle of August, so I'm not sure what's going on. Here's a small one. A few tomatoes, not many. Nasturtiums do okay in pots too. I did get some corn, 9 seeds sprouted out of about 16. I sprouted them in a dish, so I know exactly how many we're gonna grow. And this one's really small, and I don't know why. Borage will come up all over, even in the middle of the pathway. More borage. Here's a real pretty spot. So borage grows great next to tomatoes and Brussels sprouts. It feels like fall's gonna be here early. This is the only patch of flowers that I have. Trumpet flowers on the tobacco. This is the last tobacco plant that I put in the ground. It's about 30 days behind all the rest. This is the trunk of the plum tree that grew from a stick that I put in the ground. And there's remnants of the stick. It's still there. And right there, look how that trunk grew. All from that little stick. Can you see the walnut tree? That's from the walnut that I collected off of my potted walnut tree last year. One nut, it's only produced one nut, and now I have one more tree. Never give up, right? The horseradish leaves are changing. Make it really pretty. There's some of the old ones, all wrinkled and calloused. There's some fresh ones in here too. They're tasty. I really enjoyed them. I ate quite a few this summer. Oh yes, the leek seeds that started on the leek flower. That's pretty cool. I really like that. The dill is 7 feet tall. I finally got dill. I tried a couple of years in a row. This is my first year with dill. I really enjoy it. It gets tall, that's for sure. The Port Orford cedar has lots of berries. They get really woody. Anyway, there's not much else that's a highlight. So anyway, I really hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.